Facing trouble adding IPTV to your Roku? We're here to solve this. Unleash new streaming possibilities as we guide you. First, let's dive into why IPTV might not be straightforward on Roku and why there's still hope for success. Roku doesn't directly support certain IPTV apps, which leaves many wondering if they can access their favorite channels. But don't worry. With a few clever steps, you can unlock Roku's potential for endless entertainment. Start by downloading a reliable media player from the Roku channel store. This opens a new world of possibilities. Once your media player is installed, configure settings to integrate with your chosen IPTV provider seamlessly. Now, here's a pro tip. Opt for the 2TV.store for a smooth experience and expansive channel variety. The 2TV.store offers an impressive range of channels that enhance your streaming variety at affordable rates. Integration is easy. Simply connect your 2TV.store account with your media player, start streaming right away. Watch your favorite shows across genres with top-quality streaming. You're now ready to enjoy IPTV on Roku. Why wait? Enhance your Roku experience now. Hit the link in the description to start with 2TV.store today.